Okay, here I am. I recopied the matrix, and we're hoping to find the determinant of 16. I'm sorry, what was it? 14, another way. And to do that, this time, I'm going to make a checkerboard. Sometimes I just carry that checkerboard in my head. It has the same number of spaces as elements in my original matrix. So there are 9 spots. And the first spot is positive, negative, positive, negative. See how I flip-flop from positive to negative by rows, or by columns actually. So that is my little map that's going to help me. Second step is I'm going to pick a row or column. If I see any zeros, I like to use those because they will simplify my work. I could use this row, this row, I'm sorry, this column, this column, this column, this column, this row. I'm going to use this row. Be done with it. Doesn't matter which one. As long the most advantage is having a 0. I prefer not using negatives in my original row, but it really doesn't matter that much. Alright, what I do now with that is I am going to create I'm going to create a smaller matrix for each of these elements. So I'm going to start out with 0, and I'm going to connect 0 with the checkerboard. The checkerboard spot for 0 is plus plus. So I'm going to write plus 0 times a matrix. And that matrix is going to be found by eliminating the column. Did I get it right? And the row that 0 is in. And that leaves me the matrix negative 1, 2, 0, 1. Then I'm going to go to the next element in the row that I have developed here and chosen. And notice that it's associated with the negative. So I'm going to put negative 2. And now I'm going to eliminate the row and column that is in. Can you tell that 3, 2, 4, 1 is left? Alright, with the light matter, see if you can come up with what I'm going to put next. It's going to involve this element. Alright, so I put in the 1. It is associated with the plus sign, and it is associated, I'm going to eliminate this row and column. It leaves 3, negative 1, 4, 0. Alright, so that should give me the answer. So 0 times, no matter what this determinant is going to be 0. So that was why I chose that row in the first place. This determinant is 3 minus 6. So 3 and a minus 6 gives me a minus 3. So I have a minus 2 times a minus 3. This determinant, there's a 1 out front. It's positive. 0 and a minus 4. So they add up to a positive 4. Alright, so what is a 6 plus a 4? Alright, I got a 10. Not what I was expecting. Let me see. I see a mistake took place right here. So let me go back to this determinant. 3 and an 8. Sorry about that. I'm sure you saw it. So 3 and a minus 8 is a minus 5. And that causes a 10. Excuse me.